Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do is reverse bay parking, which we call parallel parking as well. Examiner will ask you to, I want you to go parallel to this car, which is on the left hand side. I would like to parallel to this car, then reverse back and park reasonably close to the curb. Park in between the two cars. When they say between the two cars, then you can leave the tire and tarmac clearly gap. And if they ask you to leave a 2-car length gap, then you have to just slightly go a little bit more reverse. So to carry on the maneuver, we have to start the car, look around, everything's okay around us. Then we have to just move away from the curb and go closer to this car, leaving about 2 to 3 feet gap in between your car and the car as a reference, which is on the left hand side. So when we stop there, have to put the car into the reverse gear, making sure everything's okay around us again. Look around all the way. So first reference you need to use is put your wing mirror in the center of the car. So into reverse gear, now we need to use a wing mirror. Put the wing mirror there. When the wing mirror touch, we stop the car, we do one full turn to the left, and this time we have to just slightly put the wing mirror a little bit down as well. Observation again, making sure everything's okay around us, and then we're going back. So as soon you see your front door handle is touching the curb, which is just about now, we stop the car and we do full turn opposite, which is on the right now. This time look around to make sure everything's okay around us again, and then we go slowly back. Keep an eye on the wing mirror. I can see car moving out nicely. I can see on the wing mirror on the top as well, the blind spot mirror. So as soon as you see the curb is in a straight line, you stop the car, take the turn out, and then observe the road one more time, and then you keep looking over your shoulder to go back. And if they ask you leave a tire and tarmac or park in between the two cars, this is how you stop the car. So that's the easiest way to do your parking. So if you look here, nice gap, about 8 to 10 inches, which is a pretty nice gap to park the car. That's a very easy way to park the car. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and like the video. Thank you. Bye.